So this is a real pain in the butt. We can't dump the truck in this bin. This is our sawdust bin. So we have to shovel it off by hand. So it's a real fun job. So if you want to CrossFit train, I guess this would be a good job for you. So I think I can get the phone to sit right there. So you go really fast for like a minute, and then you get tired and stop. But I want to go get another load, so I want to get another load fast. Normally we just leave Willie to do it. Willie does it all by himself. Right, Willie? Yep. 25 minutes takes you all day. Takes you all day.
I said it takes me at least 25 minutes.
Oh, at least?
Yeah.
So you got your soda, you're all jacked up now?
Yeah.
So we feed Willie Coca-Cola, and the caffeine and the sugar goes right to him. So he has all kinds of energy. Go. Willpower? Yeah. Oh, because of you? Yeah. That's your name? Yeah. Willpower? So you're going to get your willpower up in the truck and push that sawdust on this? So we'll show you the rest of it when we're done.